Is there anything sadder than the sound of silence when you're ready to clean? You pull the trigger to attack a mess, but your Dyson V11 is playing dead. It's frustrating, right? If your Dyson V11 is playing dead, you aren't the only one left in the dust. A vacuum that won't turn on is actually one of the most frequent complaints we get from owners of this specific model. We've run the diagnostics, and despite what you might fear about a blown motor, the culprit is almost always a faulty battery. Even if the external lights flash, the internal cells have likely degraded to the point where they can no longer communicate with the main board to start the machine. Leaving this unchecked means more than just dirty floors. A dying battery can lead to voltage irregularities that could actually damage your vacuum's main board, turning a quick maintenance job into a total loss. But don't throw it out. Robocare has the fix. We have the solution to revive your V11. We don't guess, we know Dysons inside and out. Our team of certified technicians specializes in high-end vacuum repair, with extensive experience handling the intricate electronics and power management systems of the Dyson V11 series. Our solution is precise and effective. We carefully dismantle the housing, safely remove the compromised cell pack, and install a genuine replacement. Now, let's get to the results. And look at it now. The power is back instantly. No hesitation, just 100% suction and performance. We've taken a dead V11 and restored it to factory-fresh condition. It's ready to tackle your home again. Don't replace it, repair it. If your vacuum is acting up, contact Robocare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.